Hey everyone, Lisa here from Happy Zazzling. So I've been working on some wedding themed videos lately, and this video is just going to be some pictures of some products that I made, just to give you guys some ideas of what kind of products you can add into a wedding collection. I'd love to get a conversation started going under this video, so feel free to post any comments below or any tips. Tell us what sells best for you. Is there a wedding theme that works well for you? A certain color? Where do you share your wedding products at? Like Pinterest, Twitter, whatever. Just feel free to add any tips or advice on making wedding collections on Zazzle. Also, I'll put a link to a Zazzle blog post I have down below in the description. It's just a little post that gives you lists of things that might help, like wedding themes, what products to add to your collection, and things like that. Feel free to join our Facebook group too. It's Happy Zazzling on Facebook. I'll put a link to that below too. And we can keep the conversation going on there too. There's a great group of creators in there. Everybody helps each other. Whether you post a question or whether you just want to share a product, everybody will go to your product and leave some love on it. Um, and they'll all give you feedback and everything. The next video I do will be making a collection on Zazzle. I'll show you how you add the products to the collection, make the banners, show you what sizes the banners need to be, how to make a video. I'll do it on Kittl and Canva. So anyway, thanks for watching, and I hope these videos are helping you guys. And you guys all have a great day. Happy Zazzling to you. Bye-bye.